So, today I am going to be unboxing some new supplies I made for my resin Etsy shop. So you see, I bought a lot of stuff and I have to make that money back. So I'm asking you, please check out my shop, Lily Yvonne Crafts. Check that out. I did some stuff on Amazon and I went to Hobby Lobby a while ago. So I'm going to be unboxing what I found. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a mask, it's because I'm going to start some new orders. And you should use a mask when you do resin. Use a mask because the fumes and use a mask. Anyways, so that's why I'm wearing this mask. I got it off Shein. This is really cute cow. Yeah, I know, I love it. It's cute. Anyways, now we're gonna start unboxing. On Amazon, I bought some resin and a mold. I'll show you guys in a second. Great, let's go. Okay, before we start, I just want to say that if you want to start a resin business, just know it's expensive. Resin costs money, lots of money. So just that in mind. So here's the Amazon package I got today. It was about $70 for 3 things, but I kind of get it because the resin was expensive. So this is me opening it, hoping I don't have a struggle. I guess I should just speed this up. There we go. Okay, so here is the resin and the mold I bought. It came packaged in a big package for what it is, but I guess that's okay. I honestly thought the resin would be bigger, but I guess not. It was a gallon, so I guess I understand. So this is the resin I got. Here's a picture on the side of it, and this is me unboxing. So this is the resin I bought. I'm kind of excited to use it because I think it's stronger than the last one I used because I made lots of combs and they were really bendy. So I really hope this one works. And here's the hardener, or part B that people call it that. And now we move on to the molds. Yay! So I was really pleasantly surprised when I found out this mold came with so many keychains. Like, I literally bought keychains a few hours before I unboxed this. So here's the mold. It's a music player. Is that what you call it? Music player? It's like what you play on Spotify. That's what I'm gonna call it. Spotify player. But yeah, I'm really excited to use it. Maybe make some custom orders and stuff. And I still can't get over all these keychains. Oh my god. So now we are moving on to my Hobby Lobby supplies that I bought exactly after school. And here we go. First we have this mold I got. It's this jewel mold that is really good for keychains and stuff, and I sell lots of keychains at school, so this will be very, very useful to me. So here they are. I'm really excited to work with them because I can sell so much stuff. Oh my gosh. So I make rings as well, so I bought this glue that will make it really easier for me to put my gems, my resin gems, on my rings. They have little needles that make it super easy to use. So here's the expensive colors I bought. I bought yellow, gold, brown, green. I know these sound boring, but these are colors that I don't have. Like, I have lots of pinks, purples, etc. So I'm really glad I bought these. They could make really cool designs and stuff. Even though they look like boring colors, they're really not. So don't judge. So if you look on my shop, I now sell custom necklaces, resin necklaces. And I dropped it, oh my god. Anyways, so I make it and you can buy some today. So go check that out. And here are some gloves, like those are the only gloves left, but it works. Some gloves because you need gloves when you work with resin. It's not safe otherwise, okay? Okay. Remember when I said I made rings early in the video? Well, these are the rings base. Is that what I call it? A ring base. I usually make it from scratch, but I think it's just easier to buy it. Next we have a silicone brush. This is gonna be so good for me because I always have leftover resin on my molds and it's so annoying. Next we have something for my packaging, little bag so I can put rings that people buy in. It is really helpful because I sell lots of rings at school. So at least it's more sanitary that way. Next we have my favorite thing I've bought. This is gonna be so helpful. I know I said it a lot, but it's gonna be so helpful. Like it helps me make keychains and like punch holes through really tough resin. And next we have the original keychains I bought that I don't really need now that it came with my Amazon package, but you know what? It's okay. The more the merrier. Just buy more keychains for me. And here we have some clips. I usually put some of my resin designs on there and it looks really cute. And here we have a bracelet mold. Oh, I'm so excited to make this. I know it's only one and it's like a lot for one, but it's so worth it. Oh my god, imagine the stuff I can make. And now the thing I was most looking forward to, a notebook resin kit. It has molds to make notebooks. I can put paper in there, I can sell it. I'm so excited to try it out. The only thing that I'm kind of iffy about is that for each size there's only one mold. So I would have to wait a whole nother 24 hours just to finish the whole notebook. So I'm kind of iffy on that, but I'm really excited to try it. Something I really like about this kit is that it comes with a lot of stuff, and I really appreciate that. It comes with clips for the side. Usually you would have to buy that if you're making keychains. They come with bookmarks. It's just a lot of stuff and for a really good price too. And the most useful thing to me here is my airheads that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I didn't know they sell candy there, but they do. So yeah, very helpful, very useful. So that was all I got today. I got a lot of good stuff, like really good stuff, and I'm excited to try them out. But in the meantime, make sure you check out my Etsy shop, my Instagram, Facebook, and my website to find more of the stuff I make. Do that, please. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.